Have you seen a lot of laptops and you might be contemplating, this one is bigger than this one, why this one is bigger than this one? And maybe your laptop screen got spoiled and you don't know the size of the screen that you're going to put to the laptop. So, what are you going to do? Have you seen a laptop like this, or this? And you might be wondering what is the size of the screen. So, in this tutorial, I detailed how you can know both the size of the screen and the connector of the screen so that you will not make a mistake on maybe you got the size of the screen and the connector differs from the screen that you have bought. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to know the size of your screen and also the connector of the screen so you can identify your laptop screen size. So I will use 3 or 4 examples of a laptop screen to show you what I meant. So let's head over to the tutorial. So I have a lot of laptop screen here. So most of them are not good, and it's very good for this tutorial. So how are you going to know your laptop screen size? So this is a paper screen. This is a paper screen. So as you can see here, this is a big connector. So this is a big connector. So and how am I going to know the screen size of this laptop? So go to here that they wrote LP, then you see 156. So this means the size of this screen now is 15.6, and also you can see it here now. You can see 15.6 in this one. So let me show you with another example. So this is also a paper screen. So and this is the connector is normal connector. So you can call it big connector or normal connector, they are the same thing. So the screen size is so let's look for the same screen size. So here now they wrote model number B11.6. So the screen size of this laptop is what? Here that they wrote 11.6, that means it is 11.6. Yeah, so you can see it's 11.6. So I bring another one here. This another paper screen laptop. So in this connector, this is also a big connector. So I want to show you how a small connector looks like. So okay, let me show you this one first. So here now, do you see where they wrote LUP here? Where they wrote LUP in 14.0. So the size of this screen now is 14.0. So they can wrote LUP, then the number of the screen. That is where you will know the size of the screen. This is a normal connector, so you can see it. This is 14.0. So let me bring another one for proper clarification. So this one now, this is a small connector. So all that I've shown you before are big connector or normal connector. So this is also a paper screen laptop, a paper screen, sorry. So the size of this one is, so let's check for the size. So you can see here now is NT, this one is NT 15.6. so you can see it LP, then the number or model number. They write the first three numbers, you say the two numbers together and put point to the next one. So this one is 156, that means it's 15.6.